Hello everyone, I'm Siseko Lyndon Cina. I'm currently pursuing my science major as an undergraduate at the University of the Western Cape. Okay, um, so with a passion for science education, I've dedicated the past 5 years or so to tutoring in various science programs, whereas I was helping students unravel the wonders of mathematics, physical science, and life sciences. Okay, what sets me apart is my hands-on approach on engineering mathematics. Right. So basically, I've delved into the complexities of mathematics applications in engineering. So, this journey did not only deepen my understanding and fueled my commitment for science, it also gave me an understanding and comprehension that I can be confident and say that I can be able to render the same topic and able to assist students that are struggling of the same content or that are struggling with science basically. So basically, at ScienceSavvySiseko, we focus on core subjects. These core subjects are mathematics. We also focus on physical sciences, and also we focus on life sciences. Basically, we are only a major. We are only a science major tutoring program. So whether you are navigating through the equations of exploring mathematics, or also you're looking at the laws of physical science, or maybe you're looking at the nucleus or you're looking at the organisms, the nucleus or anything of that sort, we've got your back covered, guys, because our tutoring program or our tutoring services are focused on science particularly. All right. So basically, we have weekly programs where each and every week we bring you fresh, engaging content. We are helping students with the intricacies of grade 12 science topics. Right. So we understand that it's not just about the subject matter, it's about making science a thrilling adventure. Okay. It's about making science a thrilling adventure. So if you're a student looking for a clear explanation, a parent supporting a young scientist, or just someone curious about the world of science, Science Services Circle is the place for you or platform for you. Right. And also, if you are craving a more personalized touch, or a touch or eager for direct interaction and ready to dive deep into our science studies, our face-to-face tutorials are designed just for you. Connect with us to schedule your session and experience a hands-on, individualized approach to mastering mathematics, physical science, and life sciences, guys. So basically, guys, today I want to share some key aspects of what makes our channel stand out and how we are here and to support you beyond the screen. Right. So Science Services Circle is aligned with the South African curriculum, which is called the Curriculum and Assessment Policy. So, what does this mean for you? It means that our content is carefully crafted to follow the curriculum, ensuring that you receive the most relevant and most up to date information. Alright. Our goal is to make your learning journey seamlessly and in harmony with what you are learning in your classroom. Right. we also have we also guys have our personal WhatsApp assistants, right? So what we do is that in our personalized assistant is that if you have a burning question or need clarification on any concept, you simply reach out on our WhatsApp number, right? So it's a direct line for addressing your individual learning needs, right? Because you understand that your academic success is our priority, and we are here to assist you. All right. So also in terms of university application guidance, we understand that transitioning to tertiary education can be a significant step, and we are here to guide you through it, right? So Science Services Seko provides assistance with application process to tertiary institutions, right? From choosing the right program to navigating the intricate landscape of university admissions, we are here to support you guys. We are here to support you guys, right? Because your journey doesn't end with high school. It's a new chapter awaiting to unfold, guys. Right. So guys, as you can see on our right hand side, we also have our grade 12 classes that we are rendering, our personalized grade 12 classes, right? In these grade 12 classes, they are tailored for night people. People that say that they are working, they cannot be, they cannot attend during the day. They can only afford to attend classes at night only. So we do focus on people who say that they need assistance of that sort. So at Science Services Seko, we render our services in bilingual instructions. Right. So what do I mean by that? So I mean that one of our hallmarks of at Science Services Seko is our commitment to inclusivity. Our tutorials aren't just about subjects; they are about breaking language barriers. Right. So we present our content both in English and isiXhosa, catering catering to the most spoken languages in South Africa. Because we believe that education should be accessible to everyone regardless of the language they speak, guys. So we understand that whether you speak a native language at home or anything with that language, and we in our assessments or our tutorials, we make sure or make it a point that each and every student is catered for and understands the content that they are dealing with. Okay. And also in terms of bursary support, right, we understand that the journey of education often comes with financial considerations, right? So that's why we go beyond the subject matter, right? So Science Services offers guidance and support in applying for bursaries. As we've mentioned before, we are here to help you access financial aid you need to pursue your education career. So your dreams shouldn't be limited by financial constraints, and we are here to empower you reach your academic goals, guys. We are here to help you to achieve your academic goals, right? So we also believe in academic personal mentoring. So what does that mean? So our services don't just stop at you at us only catering your academic needs. We believe in holistic growth at Science Services Sec, and that's why we provide what a comprehensive mentoring program that is focused on both academic and personal development. Okay, so whether you're navigating the complex academic challenges or seeking guidance for your personal journey, our mentoring programs are designed to empower you at every step. Because success isn't just about academics or grades, it's about becoming the best version of yourselves, guys. And also here on the right hand side, we have our online classes where we render sessions to people that say that they cannot attend our face-to-face classes, our face-to-face classroom sessions. Okay, so you can just comment down below, or else you can reach me at in my email address, and then you can schedule an appointment. I would like to thank you guys for joining me in this exciting journey through the world of science here at Science Services Seko. So whether you are a dedicated science student, for example, or maybe you say that you are one of my fellow South African science enthusiasts, maybe, Or maybe you say that you are someone looking to upgrade your metric results, maybe. Or maybe you say you're just passionate about science and the wonders of maths and science. I'm truly grateful to have you around my team, guys. I'm very, very happy to have you around my team. Right. So basically, our community is all about growth, learning, supporting each other on our academic adventures. Right. So what does that mean? That means that your success is my success, and I'm committed to providing you with the best educational content, guidance, and mentorship program possible. Right. So guys, thank you very much for being here. I'm Siseko Lyndon Cina, and I'm excited to have you as part of our journey. So until next time, keep reaching for the stars and please make science an adventure worth embracing. Subscribe to my channel, stay curious, and let's succeed together. Ndiyabulela kakhulu ngenkxaso yenu and have a great time. Thank you very much.